Welcome to our video on how to make Windows 10 faster in 2024. In this guide, we'll cover 10 essential tips to optimize your Windows 10 PC, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. Let's dive in. Your power settings can significantly impact your PC's performance. For maximum speed, switch to a high-performance power plan. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select High Performance. This setting prioritizes performance over energy savings, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Background apps can consume system resources and slow down your PC. To disable them, go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Toggle off the apps you don't need running in the background. This simple step can free up valuable resources and improve overall speed. Many programs start automatically when you boot up your computer, slowing down the startup process. To manage startup programs, press Ctrl-Shift-ESC or right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager to open Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary programs. This will reduce boot times and make your system more responsive. To disable unnecessary services and improve your system's performance, start by typing msconfig in the Windows search bar and pressing Enter. This opens the System Configuration window. Navigate to the Services tab, where you'll see a list of all services running on your computer. To avoid accidentally disabling essential services, first check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services at the bottom of the window. This will filter out the critical Windows services, leaving third-party ones. Review the remaining list and uncheck any services that you don't need. Once done, click Apply and then OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Disabling unnecessary services can free up system resources, leading to a faster and more efficient computer. If you're using a traditional hard drive, regular defragmentation can improve file access speed. To defragment your HDD, type defragment and optimize drives in the search bar and select your hard drive. Click Optimize to start the process. Note if you're using an SSD, skip this step as defragmentation isn't necessary and can wear out the drive. While Windows security is essential for protecting your PC, it can also consume a lot of system resources. If you're not installing any new software on your PC, then you may consider disabling Windows security to free up resources. However, remember that Windows security automatically starts after every restart, so make sure to disable it again. To turn it off, click on Start and then scroll down until you find Windows Security, open it. Click on Virus Threat Protection and turn it off, and its other components. Running low on disk space can slow down your PC.to. Free up space on your Windows 10 PC. Start by going to Settings. From there, click on System and then select Storage. You'll see a breakdown of your storage usage. Click on Show More categories to view additional options. Look for System Reserved and delete unnecessary files within this category to reclaim space. Next, find Temporary Files and click on it. Here, you can delete various types of temporary files, including System Update, Cleanup, Temporary Internet files, and more. This simple cleanup process can free up a significant amount of disk space and improve your system's performance. Windows 10 comes with various visual effects that can make the user interface look smooth and polished. However, these effects can also consume system resources. To adjust visual effects for better performance, right-click on this PC, select Properties, then go to Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings and select Adjust for Best Performance. This will disable unnecessary animations and effects, speeding up your PC. But if your PC is still sluggish, consider resetting it. This can help resolve deep-rooted issues and give your system a fresh start. Go to Settings, Update Security Recovery, reset this PC. Choose whether to keep your files or remove everything, depending on your preference. For a significant performance boost, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM can improve multitasking, while an SSD can drastically reduce boot and load times. If your PC supports it, upgrading to an SSD is one of the best investments you can make for performance. Additionally, consider upgrading your CPU or GPU if you're running resource-intensive applications. That's it for today's video. Implement these tips to speed up your Windows 10 PC and enjoy a smoother experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.